to our channel. Today, my team and I have come to Shanghai HANGCHA warehouse to show you a diesel forklift from a reliable brand, HANGCHA. As you see, its model is CPCD50 and AX353. It is a cost-effective forklift. Its rated load capacity is 5 tons. The engineer power is 16 kilowatts, and the rated speed is 2,200 revolutions per minute. We can see that the mast in the front is a 3-stage mast, so its lifting height can reach 4.5 meters. It is suitable for various working environments such as warehouses, ports, and material transportation. The design is ergonomic and easy to operate. With low fuel consumption and simple maintenance, it's strong, reliable, and built for long-hour daily use. Inside, ergonomic layout, small steering wheel, spacious front room, adjustable seat. Dual-level hydraulic control makes lifting, tilting, and positioning really smooth. Less fatigue all day long. So that is a quick look at the CPCD50 and AX353. It's powerful, stable, and really easy to operate. If you are checking out 5 tons forklifts, this one is definitely worth to check out. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. See you next time.